Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. I wouldn't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase and we are bringing another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and a comment on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is official. The Palmers are the dancehall Marleys, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel and Likkle Vybz have something new, viewers and subscribers. Yes, and Likkle Vybz take the opportunity to talk to him naysayers, those that doubt him, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel give a classical teacher nuances in a dancehall music, clinical verses, meaning say them surgical, viewers and subscribers. Me I make you hear an exclusive snippet and then we gonna continue the reasoning. Look and listen. Yes, viewers and subscribers. And for those who are wonder about the line, well, Likkle Vybz say, yo, who say I can't take the G throne. As I say, this is not Likkle Vybz that tell dancehall industry say him want Vybz Kartel throne. No. Rather than that, remember saying the legacy. The throne will be restored upon them. Them now have to run it down, you know what I mean? But him talk to him naysayers, viewers and subscribers, people who are doubt him lyrical capabilities, people who are doubt him creativity, viewers and subscribers, people who are saying not ready for the dancehall industry, viewers and subscribers. I mean, I tell you, from all of the releases, from him initial stages as a juvenile that do the music, to this point in time, viewers and subscribers, as a young adult, I put in the work. I can definitely say this, viewers and subscribers, he has shown a certain level of creativity and star potential, not just because Addy I'm daddy, viewers and subscribers. You get to me? I say, Vybz Kartel, the teacher say, oh, I get Zion, I probably need a space suit. Now oxygen now up when you go too far, hey. And then nothing normal, the drone, them superstar, viewers and subscribers, continues for top the charts. And as I say, bring nuances in a dancehall music, even the flow pattern. Yes, even the vibe, viewers and subscribers, the subject matters, the comparisons with Vybz Kartel choose to use in I'm sang them, viewers and subscribers, and are not normal. And it not remind me of no other artists, and that is very unique. When other artists use certain lines, certain phrases, or talk about even subject matter, even if them are use them own flow, it still remind me of certain other artists, unless it's unique within itself. Because you have people put out some style from what they where I say, yo, that is very unique. Not just local artists, but international artists as well. These new crop of artists I do the work. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel is unique though, viewers and subscribers. As an artist, we get the break in the dancehall industry and the musical industry before this generation of chart toppers. When we say this generation of chart toppers, I mean the young artists who are doing extremely well. You know what I mean? The teacher get the break before them. And for continue, for lead them as well and inspire, motivate and show them say, yo, this is how it is done. That is no ordinary feat. Whole heap of artists have tried. Whole heap of them try. But then everybody will say, do it the way Vybz Kartel do it. The teacher not do it like him a run back and nothing. You have some artists where you can see it in them style and them flow. So yo, them a try reinvent themselves and them a try stay current. The teacher now if you try stay current, and how me can prove that statement, the teacher can have tracks recorded 9 months ago and them can release tomorrow. And the vibe of the song will even change the landscape of dancehall right now for the Christmas season. Yeah, and even if it's a subject matter, a thought process, or something the artists that think about 9 months ago, it can still be that influential and relevant today. So the artist is not an artist who have to run back at the trends. See, right now we are talking about straight jeans and Clarks again. And a long time the man has said straight jeans, and a long time the teacher has said Clarks. So the teacher didn't have a track recorded from back when he was sing straight jeans and fitted that the world had never heard. If it released now, wouldn't it seem very, very current? That's what me talk about, viewers and subscribers. I have to try hard to prove my statements. We not deal in a speculation. We are talking about the facts. We don't need for deal in speculation because the facts is there. We don't need to fabricate it because what is evident is so unique and we can discuss that within itself, viewers and subscribers. The teacher and him youth have something new for the ears. Sharp Boss label to as well. Definitely a good look. Big up Shorty. Anyway, she there. You know what I mean? We see her up on a recent interview and she big up the teacher. You know what I mean? For them parenting skill and all the way him do. She said no matter what, she can always reach out to the teacher and him always trying best to help out in a whichever situation. She never that talk about financially. Because at this point in time, you know what I mean? You know the something go. The teacher didn't have plan set in place to take care of the youth them. We are talking about even just some advice for talk to them. I was seeing him do it all in the music. Yo, Likkle Vybz, Likkle Addy. Watch your road, pre everybody. Even in a music, viewers and subscribers. Fatherly advice. Him continue to do that. Big up the teacher. And I can say, Likkle Vybz, you know for yourself. All who doubt your creativity, doubt your talent, them are gonna live for see. Well, hopefully them live for see. You know what I mean? God decide that. But you gotta prove them wrong. God get a blessing for do it. You know what I mean? Yes, because must see the potential youth. As a dancehall artist, you try for stand out, meaning say, you not try for sound like Addy. And you have only for artists who, you know what I mean, them and their relative, and them try for sound like Addy. And you, who if you did try for sound like Addy, the world would have no problem with it. You give your own unique version of yourself. Know what I mean? Yeah, you not try for pretend to be another artist. And big up Likkle Vybz. You know what I mean? Yes. Big up Likkle Vybz viewers and subscribers because all who that doubt Likkle Vybz too as well. Him gonna prove them wrong too. You know what I mean? Him gonna definitely prove them wrong viewers and subscribers. The creativity where him continue for sure. From Fully Gaza to the new track here. To Paid in Full. To Skinny Jeans. Viewers and subscribers. The artists are shown say yo, I'm ready for the road. There's no doubt in my mind about that. The artist is definitely ready for the road, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, the music has speak for itself, the work where them are put in. And me have to say this, them have strong work ethic. Them not just laid back and I say alright, because we are teacher youth, people must rate and respect we. No, them actually are put in the work and I strive hard for that. You know what I mean? That notoriety of them own credibility. Not because them a teacher youth. Them actually want people to credit them with things where them achieve. So yeah man, you know so that song there. As I'm say, obviously big up Likkle Addy. Because without a feature, $sign was a hit. And we have not heard a Vybz Kartel and Likkle Addy yet. That is probably in the works. And no doubt the industry now gonna react normal when that drop. Yo, when that drop, viewers and subscribers, yo, me not for ask, me are telling you this. That track there, I got definitely rock the industry. Because the youth voice and vibe are normal. Yeah man. Big up Likkle Vybz as I say for that one here. Big up Vybz Kartel, big up Shorty, big up the whole movement, the whole camp. From supporters to vloggers to viewers and subscribers. Yes, it is a whole movement. Big up the platform, big up YouTube, you know the something go. Yeah, the place where we can forward and hold the vibe, viewers and subscribers. It's a good look. New music on the way, album on the way. Good appeal results we are praying for on the way. You know what I mean? Yeah, the fourth quarter dancehall viewers and subscribers, our one. Nobody telling you nothing. Our one. Only for other artists I can do it and make a name for themselves. And that is good for the genre. You know what I mean? Nobody feel like someone wants to see other artists that top the charts. Yeah, we don't like with some other album where, you know what I mean? We never did know the album going to release and then release and top the charts and do all the good things where good music do. But the fourth quarter, our one. Vybz Kartel, I make sure that by God blessings viewers and subscribers with countless track releases, chart topping track releases, and yes, music videos are forward. You know what? Stay tuned to the channel because we're gonna talk about that soon and very soon. I'm gonna know which music video you can look out for and who are gonna direct it, viewers and subscribers. Very exciting. Look out for it. Stay tuned to the channel. If you're new to the movement, well, all you're gonna know when that happens. You're gonna need to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. That's the only way you're gonna know. You don't have to go search down the platform. Yes, you'll be notified via notifications. Put it on all so you can get all fresh content. The like icon, then if you like you, a like on the blog. The share icon is there as well. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them brother and them sister them. But check out the channel viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase, diverse reasoning. You know what I mean? We are pretty things on a different level. And it's an interactive reasoning, viewers and subscribers. So me I point out the comment section. 24/7 open. It never lucky yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines. However, and drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. That's how the something go. Yes. So until reason again, vice to the one called Jaden Chase, and my sentiments for you. I found to live, love, and prosper, viewers and subscribers. Until reason again, Gaza Nation know the something go up, move settings, and we don't need no ladder.